Guys, this is how much you can literally start making from respondents if you have an account on this website. Okay, as you can see right here, you can as well make a lot of money from this website, but you have to follow some precepts, right, to be able to get an account on this website. And in this video I'll show you guys step by step on how to get account. Okay, so let's get right into the video. In my last video I showed you guys how to create a work email. If you have not watched the video, I will leave it in the comments, so check it out on how to create a work email, because you need a work email to be able to create an account on this website. So this is a full tutorial for you guys, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you need is a proxy. You need a proxy, right? You need a very good proxy, and you don't want a proxy that we change location, right? Okay, you don't want a proxy that will change location, so your account will not get flagged, right? So the website that you can start, you can use to create the account, right? This is how I do it. All right, the first thing I do is to go to journeys.com. If you want to get access to proxy, use the link in the description or in the comment, right? So you can get this bonus I'm about to talk about. I've talked in the last video. Now the first thing I do is to get proxy from Journeys, right? So let's get proxy from Journeys. Just tap on quick order right here, then click on resident, right? This is what I do, right? Then I will just leave it at 1 gig, right? PSEGO means 1 gig. Okay, so I'll go click on buy proxy, social media, change it to other possibilities. Here I will change this to this crypto. Then payment method, I'll use my balance. I have $8 right there, right? So I can just use my balance, so I'll buy the proxy. So before I buy it, I will apply this code, right? Apply this code right here, James Survey, right? Let me just do this, then I will just leave it like this. Then the prices will reduce for me. Okay, so from there I will pay. So here they will say your order successfully paid, right? So what I'm going to do is to go to my dashboard, right? Let me tap on this trailer and then click on login. Then here I will go to residence orders right here, right? Tap on it like this, then I'll scroll down. Then as you can see, I have it here. Then scroll down again. Then here, just you can write any name, but it does not mean, right? So scroll down, leave the file, leave all of this like this, leave them like this. All right, so I'll choose a country. I want to create the United Kingdom account. I'm very sure that you guys should create UK account because it is very okay, right? Then choose England, then select city. I will select London or Luton, anyone, right? I can choose Luton, yeah. Then Virgin Media, right? Let me just choose Virgin Media because that's what I use. So here I'll just leave the IP port, login and password. Then I'll click on create. So when you create a proxy, just scroll down, you will see your proxy right here, right? As you can see, this is it. So your info will be there, right? So when you tap on it like this, you see this is your username and this is your password, right? So Jonix has a way they do their own things. So we click on this file right here, you'll be able to download the username and the IP port, username and password. Let me just open it like this. Then let me zoom in this in. Then as you can see, this is it. This is the info. So we'll just copy this like this, copy everything, then go to your Play Store, right? Download this app called Go Login. Most of you know about this app, right? Download Go Login, then open it like this. Let's open it like this. Then let me stop this. Then you tap on this right here, which is creating another profile. Tap on it like this. Then only change proxy. Tap on proxy, then go to your proxy. Then here change auto to SOX5. Then paste the proxy like this. Okay, you have to arrange this yourself, right? So let me arrange it real quick. All right, after you paste this here like this, then you see here United Kingdom SOX5, right? As you can see, everything collides. If you want to try to use my proxy, I will delete it. Okay, before you go and use my bandwidth. So from there, you just click on here, change the name. I can put like respondent UK, right? Then I'll create a profile down here, create profile. So automatically you will see it here, right? As you can see, it says US, but it is UK. Don't bother about that. So let's create the account. So now tap on this, tap on it like this. It will take you to this place where you just need to check your location, right? So yeah, so just tap on this plus button right here. Now it's time to create an account. Just search for respondents. If you are finding any value in this video, make sure you just like and comment, right? Respondent just IO, right? That's it. So let's go. Accept. Right here, as you can see, you say quality research participants, all of that. Find a participant, get paid to participate. Click on get paid to participate. Okay, I just want to be straightforward. I don't want to waste you guys time, right? So here, put in your name, right? You can put in any name. Your name does not need to match with your PayPal, right? One thing about respondents is that they pay through Tremendous, which is very, very good, right? Even the $130, I will still show you guys on my status that I was paid, right? So they will pay through Tremendous. There's no delay or anything. Okay, so here I can just put like Emmanuel Martin, right? Then here I'll just put an email address. Put your personal email here if they have not asked you for a work email. All right, so let me see, do I have an email? Let me see. Let me All right, click on continue after you put in your email and password. Please don't sign up as a researcher, sign up as a participant. Okay, now they will say we sent a verification link to your email. Just click the link. So what you need to do is to go to your email. All right, this is it. Then you just long press it, right? Then copy URL. Don't tap it, long press and copy. Then come here, tap on the browser, then you see link you copied, paste. So the email is verified now. Let's continue. Now they'll ask you to put in your age. Okay, so let me just put 2000 here, month. Let me put 10, date 14. Then gender, let me just put male. Country, city. All right, let me search for Luton. Let me see Luton, UK. As you can see, make sure you maintain these. Okay, maintain these, then continue. I'll show you guys how to get a static residential progress that will last you for a month without you getting a bandwidth instead. You understand? But make sure you create an account using the GNX proxy. I know what I'm saying. So ethnicity, I will just choose black African because some of the tags you'll be doing sometimes they require your face. So just make sure if you are black, just choose black. It does not mean anything. Here I just put 66,000 there. Here I can just put like bachelor's degree there, then continue. Then tell us your work. Let me see. I don't know why most people still choose like I'm a business owner, right? So if you choose a business owner or let's say employee full time, they'll still ask you for a full name, right? They ask for everything. So I will just choose a business owner. Company name, I can just say Emmanuel Martin. No, not Emmanuel Martin because let us go back. All right, this is my business email, right? So this business email, let's just make sure the name matches with the business account company's name, right? So go back. Yeah, I'll just put like fellow, let me see, fellow, right? Fellow online, something like that. Then job title, I can just say owner and founder, right? And maximum you can only select one, right? The name of the company, now this is the way you put your business email, right? If you have not watched the video on how to create this business email, I will link it in the description so you can watch it. It is more like free, right? So tap on this like this, put it here. As you can see, they will send you a link to verify it, right? You will see how we will receive the link now. So tap on finish. So you will see this code of conduct or agreement, all of that. Read through it and agree, right? As you can see, these are projects, right? As you can see, you have a lot of projects like this, but you are not yet done, right? You are not yet done. So here you just click on unlock high projects, right? All right, before we continue, I have done a lot of work and said a lot of things, so let me just rush this, right? Job function, okay, based on your own type, right? Just choose what suits you best, right? For me, this is what I choose and what I understand. Okay, you can only choose like 3 jobs, right? Quality assurance, So level, I can say I am the vice president, right? Industry, the industry, I can put information technology. Work setting, I can say remote. Company size 11 to 50 is okay. Skills, all right, I will choose these three skills. You can use AI to be able to give you good ones, right? All right, so never served. Which program language I use? C plus and where is it, Python, right? If you don't have anyone, just choose, even though it's one, right? Here I use DigitalOcean and Google Cloud. AI coding, I use GitHub, Cursor, Claude, ChatGPT, Copilot, I use all of them. Here I use Figma, I use Sketch, right? I use Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Canva. Then what productivity tools? I use this, I use this, I use this, I use Notion as well. So I use Zoom. Okay. Then I'll click on save changes, right? As you can see, edited field will be locked for 7 days. So just click on saved. So now it's time to verify our work email, right? Resend verification email. Now it has been sent. Let's check our normal email address. Boom, guys. So as you can see, you enter into my normal email address, which is the destination email address I showed you guys in the work email video. If you have not watched it, you will not understand what I'm saying. Those that have watched it understand, right? So as you can see, confirm your work email. Then I'll just long press it, copy, then go back, then come here and paste it like this. It will be verified. You don't need an ID for that. You don't need an ID. All right. So now it has been verified. Your workmail is verified. Okay, as you can see, you don't need it again, right? You can only verify it every three months. Okay, so now that done, let's just go back to our profile, right? So now you can start applying for jobs, right? This will cost 45 minutes, right? 45 minutes. You can just tap on it like this and apply for the job, right? Apply. As you can see, you can apply, right? Let me just show you guys how to do this. All right, this about malt whiskey, stuff like that. Let me just click on apply. Now you have to add the profile picture. All right, let me just add this, then let me apply. You won't be able to apply for big jobs because they are still verifying your business. All right, so just take note of that. How often do you drink or buy single malt drink? I buy it and regularly. Yeah, if you choose that, you'll be accepted, that's for sure. Understand? So it will take me to the second screen now. All right, this roughly costs this. Let me just continue like that. Then how do you feel about Dalmore whiskey brand? I love it and actually seek it out. Then now they will now tell you that confirm if you're a real person. Address, that means any job you see that shows this, meaning the job, this tax require you to verify your ID, right? The tax require you to verify your ID, not essentially you need to verify your respondent account. No, you can test on that tax and it will not show you this. All right, but if you still feel that, oh, you want to verify your ID, this and that, you need a driver's license then, right? Which costs around $25, right? A verified one. You want to verify any account, right? Even your outlier accounts, handshake, understand? So not all tax will show this. Now there's something I did mistake on, right? Before I was able to receive email likes, I have to add a DNS, so it will not be right for me not to show you guys how I added the DNS, right? So when you go back to your Cloudflare account, scroll down, you will see where it says DNS right here, right? Tap on DNS, then you will go to records, right? Records, then tap on it like this. Then you will see that your new email does not have any record. You have to add it by yourself. Now I will post this on my Telegram. Join my Telegram, so I'll post all of this DNS record on how to do it, right? So these are the DNS record, right? As you can see, you have to add all of these things, right? So let's assume you want to add this MX, right? This mail server. You just go back to your account like this, then click on add record, then choose this A, change it to MX, then this name, just choose add, Then this mail server, you all have to copy this, which I will drop in the group. Copy this, then you paste it here. Then you'll be able to receive email right here. Priority is 46, right? This is 46. Then you put 46 here, then you just click on save. I've already added it before, so I won't add it again. So that's how it is. So if you find value in this video, subscribe, like, and share this video to someone in. Now, for you to be able to maintain your account, like, you don't want to be getting Gionix, but if you want to get Gionix, that's very, very good. So what you need to do is to let me just stop this. All right, go to your browser and search for this bot, right? Search for this bot, t.me claim proxies bot. I'll leave it in the comment or the description. Then tap on go right there, then to direct it to Telegram, click on start. Then here, come to the bot and click on start like this. It will bring out all of this. So tap on this starting residential unlimited proxy, right? So here, click on I want this. Make sure you read everything. Then choose United Kingdom, right? You will see this is Luton as well, right? Choose it. Then you will see Virgin Media, which we choose the other time. Make sure everything is static, right? Then choose one device, right? Then here you'll be able to pay, right? When you pay to Flutterwave, you'll be given a proxy. That proxy is what you will maintain to be able to maintain your account, right? So this, you don't need to subscribe for bandwidth, just it's unlimited. But make sure you use Gionix to register. All right, use Gionix to register so your account will be safe. So I hope you find value in this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.